So the new 2019.32.1 update has a nifty little feature for those that like to swap through wheels. You can now choose your wheel configuration in settings. If you were to change it for winter time, or if for some other reason you change the stock wheels, you can choose a different option. This allows the car to more accurately predict tire pressure and range and all that fun stuff. I swap to winter tires on my 19s during the winter time, so I would like it to have a second option to choose what type of wheel or type of tire you are running, because I know winter tires do affect the range quite a bit in my experience. So cool addition. Probably could use a couple more options, but definitely a step in the right direction.